What is good, YouTube? We are back. OEM Plus YouTube channel here with another video. Your favorite unenthusiastic car enthusiast. And today, we're in the garage. Garage is closed because the neighbors are listening to fucking old town opera. I don't know. It's crazy over there. You can probably hear it in the background, but it's not my type of music, so I'll keep it closed. But today we're going to be working on the G80 here. So I got the AST springs, the helper springs that I'm gonna be swapping out. The new ones here. So the old ones are a lot softer. These are definitely harder to compress. And the old ones are mounted on the top of the actual main spring, the coilover spring. So the new ones get mounted underneath. So that should mitigate any type of noise, kind of like on the rebound. Right now I'm getting a little bit of noise and feedback on the rebound that, I just don't like the way it sounds. So they sent me these and should be able to square that away. So if you do have AST 5200s, 5100s, whatever, and you have the standard, I think they're like a bluish color, very thin helper springs up front, you might want to try to swap them out for these and then put these on the bottom. And hopefully that solves the problem. I'm gonna just look over everything one more time, make sure everything is lined up, even, and all that stuff. So that's going to be today's work. Hope you guys are enjoying the daily uploads. I just wanted to challenge myself, do something different. So it's like, fuck it, I'm just going to upload all the time and see how that works. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys had a good holiday and 2024 starting off on the right foot for you. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
All right, so as you can see up here, it's the helper spring. See how thin it is compared to the new one. I don't know why I said they were blue, but they're not. So if you can see here, right here, a little bit of damage there. That's from just the bottoming out all the way. So that's what prompted this switcheroo. So what I have to do now is take the damn coilover out. Let's just get to it. All right, got it all out. I actually got the resting on a quick jack block there. So slowed it down, pulled it out. Here we are. So we got one. Let me get the other one out, line them up side by side, double check everything, and then keep it going from there. All right, got them both off. I don't know if you can see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to try and line this up as even as possible. So flatten, I guess, probably from the bottom. And then that way I'm gonna check to make sure that these are the same length on both sides before I take the springs out. So should be pretty simple, but again, it never is with me. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so they're lined up. I got right amount of thread here, so 8 and 8 on that side. So that part's good. So now I gotta take, this is how you take how you swap the spring out. So you take a small Allen key in here, take the dampening knobs off. Then from there's a 19 mil, so you need a longer socket. 19 mil in there, screw that off, and then there's another, I think there's a 10 mil after that, and then you just slide the whole assembly out. And then from there, it'll expose the springs here. And like I said, I have to put the helper spring, instead of it being up here, be down here. So yeah. Let's see if I can not fuck this up. Here is the comparison. New helper spring on the bottom, old one was on the top. It's just the finished product. So this is one down, one to go. Again, take off the knob, take off the 19 mil bolt, then use a 10 mil to get the, there's another bolt in there. This right here, it latches onto that part, not this gold one, but the inner one right here. A 10 mil will hold that, and it'll just pretty much just unscrew the rod assembly that's inside the strut. Unscrew it from the base here. You just pull it out. Yeah. So that's that. Let me finish it up and get it all squared away. So the nut inside here is your standard righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. But this thing here, because this bends on that bolt there that you have to unscrew, that one's opposite. So it's lefty, yeah, not loosey, lefty-tighty. So keep that in mind. You gotta turn it opposite. Set the ratchet opposite. So, but got both of them on now. So I'm eager to see what my ride height will be, if it will be the same or not, but we shall see. Alright, so you gotta use one of these. I think it's a 5mm Allen, and then you're ratcheting 17 to pretty much tighten down this sway bar in link here. So that's good. So I adjusted it because I think it was too long. So I shortened it a little bit. So we'll see how that does. Double check everything. So spring is seated right. Helper spring is seated right. The wires are good. Bolt good. The strut, the coilover strut is all the way in the knuckle, flat. So that's good. Good to go. And we're back. So everything's back on, loose. It went up. I have to lower this down about half an inch, or maybe I'll wait. Maybe this helper springs need to settle just like the other ones did. But I don't know. We'll see. But regardless, I gotta straighten this wheel out as well. But so far so good. So I'll try to have my ride head is about 24 and a half or 24 and a quarter. This is like 25 right now. So might need to adjust it. I might wait a little bit and see. But pretty easy. Easy install. Easy install. Hope you guys like the video. I think my camera is off as well. So yeah, camera is way off. And we're looking in here. Yeah, you can adjust that as well. So I'm gonna do that. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Pretty easy install. Just take your time. You know, if you're dropping the suspension on this car, you know you got to take your time. Make sure you know, put all the sensors back on, the ride height sensors, headlight leveling sensors, all that stuff. That's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll do a ride along video, give you guys an update on the ride quality and compare it to what I had before, and how the helper springs have or have not made a difference in the ride, the sound, the feel, and all that stuff. So that's it for today. Catch you guys on the next one, probably tomorrow. And peace. We out.